the technician has removed the rear bumper, taillights, and interior trim. So all the damage can be inspected, not just superficial exterior damage. This is done to prepare and write a complete estimate of all known damage based on everything we can see and minimize delays during the repair process. It's important to inspect the vehicle underneath and above, in addition to the inner structure, so that secondary damage can be diagnosed as well. Unibody construction can transmit damage through the passenger compartment. There is sometimes damage away from the area of impact. Writing a complete damage estimate initially helps to minimize estimate approval time and delay for the customer.